behind me. Here we go. I told you. Woo! Whoa! Told you there. Oh, don't do it. Oh. This is. Oh, this way, that. G'day legends, welcome back to another episode. I'm soaking wet, dripping wet, for a very good reason. I've just had one of the best kayak fishing hookups you're ever likely to see. I don't boast much, but this one is an absolute ball terror. I encourage you to watch this episode. If you don't watch any of the other ones, do yourself a favour, watch this. It's the most incredible hookup I've ever had. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. So, we're having sounder dramas. I think I've lost contact with the battery. I can't get it working. So, finding bait's gonna be difficult, especially with daylight. I have got one yellowtail, not a bad one, but I just thought maybe we'll come and chase some tuna. Look at this. It's really hard to chase live is when this is going off 100 metres away from you. Not sure what they are. I'm just going to get in the middle of them, see if we can upset one. I think there's a lot of back tuna in here, but I did see a couple of real big fellas come out. And I don't have anything too heavy to argue with them, but we'll just see. This is like a little snapper rod. She's a good school though. And as can be the case with tuna, they may be feeding on real micro whitebait. Oh. They are everywhere. Whew. Oh, didn't do that well. Good one, Robert. Oh, come on. See, there's some alright fish jumping out in there. Bugger. They're going to be hard to get to see though. You can just tell, just by the look of it, they're so focused. Oh, there's a hit on that one. And a follow, come on. Well, that'll look. Okay, good size tunas. Oh, you buggers. Everywhere. Okay, well, I'm not going to waste your time on too much. Frustrating, hey? I'm not going to put my yellowtail out here either. Last thing I want is a tuna damaging it. I'm just going. I might just drive away from him. Put that live bait in. Feed him, cuz, feed him! I thought it might be you. Looking for a fucking fish. No luck, though. So you're doing responsible sailing there? Yeah, looks it. Alright. Mad cunts. See you. How good is. You got a bit of a friendly crew coming, look. Woo! All that compensates for a lack of fish, don't it? Beautiful. Righto. So I've come out onto my wider reef, hoping, got no sounder, but I'm hoping I can just find some liveys by taking old landmarks, which I encourage all of you to hone your skill in, hey. Remember your landmarks. I think we always become pretty reliant on technology. But when it goes down, like in cases like this, unless you can sort of remember landmarks and stuff. My problem is let me show you. I've got my south landmark, no worries. It's clear as day, but I got the sun right. I got the sun right here on my bloody western landmark, so it's pretty hard to judge if I'm in the right spot or not. But I think I am. Yeah, hang on. Right, so I got two yellowtail out. I'm just going to head back in. Sun's going down, about another hour or so of light. I just want to be in around that headland, in close, right on that witching hour, right on dark. This time of year you can pick up that big Spanish mackerel in there doing that. Hopefully they do it again, guys. I just had 2 or 3 longtail jump right out just in front of me here. Absolutely longtail. Way too big for mac tuna. Hopefully one of these yuccas goes off. I'm just here to my side now. They're too big to throw my little metal at. I'll be here all night. Good fish. Him out there behind me. There we go. I told you. Woo! Whoa! Told you there. Oh, don't do it. Oh. Good fish. Oh, this way, look. Oh, this way does. Seriously, it doesn't get any worse. Look at this. Well, I've got 2 fish on it. Follow me, mate. Alright. Focus. Oh, look at this. I am in all sorts. That. Oh man. Fuck. I'm gonna go again. They're pulling me over. Shit, the bridge. Okay. You gotta see this. Oh. That was the best hookup in history. I'm in all sorts. I got too long. Wow. What are you doing now? First things first. Cut the friggin' fucking bages. Oh, far out. This is rough. Okay. Righto. That's swinging everywhere. Okay. Not only have I got 2 on, but they're going separate ways. Come on. Let's just see. Righto. I'm almost spooled on this fella. Come on. Bases. There's bases everywhere. Good fish. Oh. I don't know how to lose my goggles, hey. I was just thinking to myself, it's really quiet. Oh, don't think I'm going to get any exciting footage for an episode. When it comes to kayak, it does not get any better than that. I might have lost my battery. It's not too bad. How's that, hey? Beijing's yummy. I hate beaches. Now they're in my hand. Still got that fish on there. Paddle's way over there. Kind of just dragging that one a bit now. This one's coming at me. Oh. Guys, that's got to be one of the best kayak hookups you'll see this year. Woo! Two big long-tailed tuna going in opposite directions. For a minute there I was underwater, I had 3 rods in one hand. And I could hear the ratchet going underwater. Wouldn't you love it if one of these was actually a Barry? That's head kicking. Would you not believe it? Oh no, it's tuna. Come here, bud. Mate, still a fish on this one. Come on. There he is. Here he is. Spin around. Not too much, buddy. Good fish, no wonder they went like the clappers. Oh. Actually, you know what? That was too good. I'm gonna do you a solid, dude. Too good. You just provided, you and your mate here, the best kayak hookup I've ever had. Out, stay on. You absolutely brawled me, mate. Reckon you and your buddy did that bloody delivery there. Woo! Got one. Wait, there's another one. No. Already swam. Another one. Trying to do this side here. That one out here. Pectoral. Come on. Number one. Let's see if we can get the second one. Oh, I can't stop giggling like that. He's still here. Righto. Run this bloke down. This is the one that caused all the problems. Coming for you, buddy. I've got like 5 miles of line out. Oh. Take up kayak fishing, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Long tails. I was just hoping one bait would go off, huh? Murphy's Law. Okay. Oh, I'm roasted. Metallica didn't like going underwater, I bet. Did I lose anything? I did, I lost the Saragos. I lost my snapper rod. Well, good argument for rod leashes. There he is. Come here, mate, you started all this. Got a yip with this one, mate, before I capsized. He was off like a Bryce 90. That run was, yeah, wow. But, oh, I got the gears up now. Hell, I'm spinning like a top here, right? Like just round and round. Hey, good fish. Oh, mate. I hate it when they circle this way, huh? How's a white pointer factor? You're in the water with two distressed tuna tied to you. Talk about something serious in a minute. I'll get that back in. Come here. I'll do you a solid too, mate. Chunky monkey tuna. You started all this, come here. I talk to you. Come here. Come here. You just don't do that. You ain't going up with your mates. I reckon they planned though. But they said to each other, mate, grab one each, you go that way, I'll go that way. We'll roll this arsehole. G'day, mate. Righto. Longtail tuna, beautiful fish, one of my favourites, but they just create havoc. I'm doing this fella solid because I mean, that's like the most entertaining hookup you like to see. For what? Good on you, mate. Love ya. Oh, I love ya. Champion. What a troublemaker for a tuna. All the best, dude. Oh, that's it, I'm going home. That's all the action and excitement I need for one night. There you go, double hook up on longtail tuna on a kayak, both fish going in opposite directions. I roll in, managed to hang on to all three rods underwater with two tuna on and got them. What I was going to say though is, if that happens to you, maybe don't giggle like I do. Certainly don't panic when you roll your kayak. Always make sure. I had some trouble getting back on then and rolled it back over. It took me a little while, only because I had one hand. So it was really difficult for me to flip the kayak. My other hand was holding two tuna and three rods, so, and they're obviously bowling off. But what I did was I went around, probably don't come up in the cameras at all, but I went down to the end of the kayak and I've got the rudder. Because from that side, from that end of the kayak, you get more leverage. Took a couple of goes and I rolled it, and then I could get back in. Main thing is, don't panic. And more importantly, if you're not confident, do some rolling training before you get out on the ocean. That way, if stuff like that happens, you won't kind of panic, because panic will get you in a world of trouble. All right, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed that one, I certainly did. I'm going home now. But I beat them, I got both in. Righto, see you next episode, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh, I got rolled.